I'm Aisling, I'm from Ireland, and I am going to help you to learn real life English. So, today I am about to make my lunch. I haven't eaten yet, so I haven't had anything since this morning. So, I am making chicken and pasta for lunch, and right now I am about to season the chicken. So to season the chicken means to put seasoning onto the chicken. So I'm using different seasoning. I have garlic, I have this chicken seasoning, this is onion, of course I'm using some salt, and I'm going to season the chicken. Once I have seasoned the chicken, I am going to put it into a breadcrumb and I will fry it, and then I'm going to make my pasta. So as I'm doing this, I will tell you a little bit about my day so far. It's currently 2:30 here in the afternoon, and so far today I have had 3 classes. So I had 2 individual classes. One of them was a preparation for an interview. And then I had a group class. I have 3 students in that group class, and they are beginner students, and we're practicing a lot of conversation. So it's really, really good. And when I finished my classes, I popped to the supermarket. So I had to pop to the supermarket. This means that I had to go to the supermarket. So I had to pop to the supermarket after my classes, and I just needed to pick up a few things in the supermarket. And then I stopped in a coffee shop and I grabbed a coffee. So I grabbed a coffee. I got a coffee in the coffee shop. And I came home and now I am preparing my lunch. I'm feeling a little bit guilty because I didn't go to the gym this morning. I didn't have enough time to go to the gym this morning. I was in a rush. So I had many things to do. I didn't have enough time. So I didn't go to the gym this morning. I didn't have enough time. I had 1,000,001 things to do. I had many things to do this morning. I was in a bit of a rush, so I didn't have enough time to go to the gym. So I am feeling a little bit guilty about this. And to be honest with you, this week I haven't stuck to my routine. So if we stick to something, it means that we keep doing it. So imagine, for example, on the 1st of January, I say, oh, I am going to stop eating chocolate. And then I stick to it for the rest of the year. So I keep doing what I said. So this week I haven't stuck to my routine. I have only gone to the gym twice so far. So far this week I have only gone to the gym twice. But that's okay. Next week is a new week and I will get back into the routine next week. I will return to the routine next week. Have you been to the gym today? Let me know in the comments. And guys, hold on, will the camera move down? Let's see. No, it won't move down. Let me see. Today I am minding. Why isn't the camera moving down? I'll have to take the camera and show you. Today I am minding Victor. So Victor is asleep. Well, he's not. Oh, sorry, Victor. He is on the floor beside me. So Victor is my friend's dog, and normally I mind him. I look after him. I take care of him once a week. So in English, we can mind somebody, we can look after somebody, we can take care of somebody or some animal. So in this case, I take care of Victor once a week. So he is staying with me through the day, and he will go home to his own house later on this evening. I need to go and wash my hands now because I touched Victor. So in my pasta, I'm going to put some cherry tomatoes. So I'm just going to open the packet and I am going to half them. I'm going to chop them in half with my knife. So I'm going to chop the cherry tomatoes in half, and I'm also going to put a red onion, a very sad looking red onion. It looks a little bit sad, but I think it should be okay still. And I'm going to put some onion and no, sorry, not onion. I'm putting the red onion. I'm going to put some garlic. So I buy frozen garlic. It's in the freezer in the supermarket. And it's so handy. This word handy, we use this word a lot in Ireland. If something is handy, it means that it's so practical, it's so convenient. All as I need to do is open my freezer and my garlic is already chopped and waiting for me. So when I'm making my rice, or in this case, pasta, it's so easy, it's so handy. So I think I will probably never buy fresh garlic again because, to be honest with you, the one thing that I hate about fresh garlic is that the smell stays on your hands afterwards. You can wash your hands 10 times and you can still smell the garlic. So frozen garlic is a game changer. It changes everything. It's the best. And I also buy frozen onion in the supermarket, and it comes chopped up. It's already chopped up. So it's so handy and so practical. And what else goes into the pasta? Some spinach and fresh basil. This is called basil. It smells beautiful, it smells delicious. I love fresh basil. And yeah, I'm just going to chop everything up and throw it all into the pan. This pasta that I am making, it's amazing because you throw everything into one pan. So I can do everything together at the same time, and it's so much easier. So basically what I need to do is I put everything into the pan actually. This is a frying pan. And I drizzle it with some olive oil on top. I'm gonna put some garlic and herbs, and I will put chicken stock, caldo de frango, and cream, and cover it, and I will show you the end result. And I'm going to make the chicken on the side, a parte in Portuguese. I'm just going to put away my garlic and onion. So put away seria guardar. So when we are cooking, we take something out of the fridge or the freezer, tirar, take out the milk, take out the chicken, and then when we guardar, we put it away. So I'm just going to put away my garlic and my onion. My pan is heating, esquentando. So my pan is heating, and I'm going to do the chicken first and then do the pasta. So here is my pasta. It is ready. Está todo pronto. It's ready. So now I am going to dish it up. Dish it up means to put the food onto the plate. dish it up. We can also say plate it up. Seria como se fosse colocar no prato. I'm going to dish it up. I'm going to plate it up. So I have had my lunch. It was absolutely delicious. And I have cleaned the kitchen. I have washed all of the dishes. I have put away everything. And now I am just relaxing for a few minutes before I go back to work. So let me know in the comments if you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos of real life English.